Hello everyone, today we're launching Postking, which is basically an automation engine in order to help you create LinkedIn content that will help you reach your target audience and help you get more inbound leads and therefore help you get more pipeline and get more revenue. So if you're a startup founder or a business owner who has a product, who has tried out cold email, tried out LinkedIn automation that worked, and you want to get more authentic inbound leads, build a profile and build authentic content and get more cold inbound from your prospective leads, then you're in the right place, and Postking helps you do that. So Postking is a product of analyzing hundreds of thousands of posts and profiles, literally hundreds and thousands of posts and profiles from many LinkedIn influencers, successful influencers, and it will help you create posts in those specific formats. It will also help you create a format for yourself and be consistent in that and be able to build an authentic profile on LinkedIn. So I'll just show you guys how you guys can use Postking. It's obviously for free, and there is a code in the description and also in the screen which you can use to get a week free of content. So you can use that code to create content for your LinkedIn. You can post it, and if you see the results, you can get to the next set of subscriptions. So let me go ahead and show you how it all works. So you guys can go to postking.io. I'll leave the link in the description. And here I am on my profile. So the onboarding is, it asks you a lot of questions in order to understand your profile and be able to build a content plan for you, rather than just a basic AI like ChatGPT, which basically outputs posts based on your thoughts. It creates a content plan based on your profile, based on similar profiles in your niche, and being able to create like a specific voice for yourself and what type of posts you'll make to be consistent every week. And it will also help you create a week's worth of content in a couple of minutes. So over here in the dashboard, I have multiple options. I could basically give my own thoughts to create a post. I also be able to post a link. So let's say I have multiple Reddit posts that did well. I have blog posts that did well. Maybe Twitter posts that I want to reuse, or even YouTube videos that I want to reuse. I could put in the link over here, and it will basically use all of those contexts, and it will create 3 to 4 versions of those posts. So these will not be just versions, but also multiple different video ideas for those using those posts. So let me go ahead and try to create a post here. So you could also talk and then have it create a post for you. I'll click on that. So I'll say, so today we got our first customer for Postking through our YouTube videos, and this has been after 2 to 3 weeks of testing the product with a lot of beta testers, and we closed a recent customer from that. So we're glad about it, and team is also glad about it. We want to make a post on it. So I'll just put that as a voice. So I just have a thought, I put it into voice, it'll transcribe, and I can just click on enter. It'll start analyzing the context. It'll do a bunch of important things in the back end. It's a proper system, and then it'll try to create 3 to 4 good versions of the post. Okay, so that's done. It took around 40 seconds to 50 seconds to get the full post done. But now I have 3 versions of the post. So I can see over here, here is one version. You can scroll through and see 3 versions of the post. And the AI suggests, it gives me a lot of understanding of why it chose that post rather than just giving me a blank post. So I know why the audience like it, why the audience maybe don't, and what we need to improve. Here you can see the AI actually recommends the first option. So it says it's universally relatable, but it's also a replicatable path and builds the narrative. So based on my profile goal, right? My goal is to build like an authentic audience, not to sell anything to them. So based on that, it suggests me the first one is a good strategy. It also gives me image recommendations. So fun fact, image actually gives you 2 times more engagement when you make LinkedIn posts. So it gives image recommendations. I could actually click on generate, and it will use the latest Google image AI models in order to give me realistic posts. I could also upload my image and see the preview. You can see over here, I can see the preview of how the actual post would be, mobile preview, as well as edit the post. And also I can go to the content calendar where I could schedule this post. So this particular post is scheduled to be posted tomorrow. So I could manage a whole calendar through the entire app as well. So this is the post, guys. If you want, there's a link in the description. It's totally free. You could use the code, and whatever feedback you have, please let me know, and thanks for watching the video.